Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I'm going to show you how I make my mini frozen pizzas. So the original recipe is for a large pizza and it came from my Ninja mixer. The cheese and toppings are not from the original recipe. So let's check out the ingredients. I have some green bell peppers, but you could use any bell peppers of your choice. Some crushed red peppers, and that is optional. I have 1 pack of active dry yeast, and you can use any brand of your choice. Some plain salt, you could use any salt of your choice. Some granulated sugar. Some all-purpose flour, you can also use the pre-sifted flour. A medium-sized yellow onion, and you can use any onion of your choice. 2/3 cup of lukewarm water. Some vegetable oil, 1 bottle of Mayoko's liquid vegan pizza mozzarella. This will be my first time using it in a pizza. Some clear plastic wrap and some traditional pizza sauce. So let's get started. So I know some of you are saying, I don't have a Ninja. You can mix this dough by hand. You could even use your hand mixer with the 2 attachments. Let me know in the comments below if you ever made pizza at home. Do you guys use the homemade pizza dough or the pre-made store-bought pizza dough? Sometimes I will flavor my dough with either some dry basil or Italian seasoning. My dough is just about ready because I could see through my mixing bowl. I'm placing my dough in my oiled bowl. I'm going to cover it and let it rise for 1 hour. In the meantime, I'm going to work on my second dough and I'm going to add some Italian seasoning and basil to this one. I'm finally chopping my onion. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite pizza or pizza brand? I'm doing the same with the bell peppers. And these bell peppers are fresh from my vegetable garden. So these are my toppings, but you can put any toppings of your choice. My dough is ready, so I'm going to knead it on a lightly floured surface. Once I'm done, I'm going to divide it into 4 pieces. I'm going to roll each piece and set them aside. If you were making a large pizza, you would not divide it into 4 pieces. My other dough is still rising. I'm rolling out each dough into a small circle to make a mini pizza. I'm going to pre-cook the pizza dough on 350 until it rises.
One eternity later.
And now I'm going to add my toppings. I'm starting with my pizza sauce, and as you can see, the pizza is not cooked all the way. I'm adding my liquid mozzarella cheese. Just remember that these are going to be frozen pizzas, so that's the reason why I did not cook them all the way. I'm adding some of the chopped bell peppers, as well as some chopped onion. And I'm adding a few slices of pepperoni. You can add as much sauce as you want. I know some people like a lot of sauce on the pizza. And I forgot to mention that you can use regular mozzarella for your pizzas. This one is going to be spicy. I'm adding some red pepper flakes. I'm saran wrapping each pizza. Please make sure to freeze them before wrapping them. This will prevent your toppings from sticking to the saran wrap. And I'm double wrapping each pizza just to make sure that it is tightly sealed. I'm also going to put a date on each one of them. So I'm going to repeat those steps with all the pizzas. This is a great snack for you, or if you have kids. The kids can even help with the toppings. And it is very easy to warm up. All you have to do is pop it in the oven for a few minutes and you'll have a pizza. So I'm all done, and this is a pizza that is completely done, and it looks like that because of the liquid cheese. Yours will look different if you use regular mozzarella. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.